name is Mykaela and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this festival makeup look right here. If you are in Perth, you would know that we have the music festival Listen Out coming up in a few weeks time, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know, but it's coming up really soon. So I really wanted to create a, festival inspired makeup look. And I guess I really wanted to inspire you guys to maybe give this look a go and try and recreate it on yourself, or you can even just use it as inspiration if you are getting your makeup professionally done. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then please keep watching. So my inspiration to create a festival makeup look came from this eyeshadow palette by Morphe. This is called the Artistry palette, and it's got so many beautiful, bright, colorful shades in it. So I thought, what better look to create with this type of eyeshadow palette than a festival look? We do have Listen Out coming up in a couple of weeks. So I thought, yeah, why not create a super bright and colorful look that you can use for the festival. So I don't know what kind of look I'm going to create just yet. I'm just going to kind of roll with it and just, I guess, see what happens. So as you guys can already tell, I have already completed my brows off camera. I do have a separate brow tutorial on my channel, which I can link below for you guys if you're interested in that. I do also have lash extensions on as well, so I won't be applying false lashes in this video, but obviously you can apply false lashes yourself if you do want them. So I'm going to grab this big fluffy brush, which is the number 224 from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with the shade Sunlight, which is this beautiful bright yellow matte color. The next shade that I'm going to be using is the shade called Pride, which is this really nice peachy matte color. And I'm just going to take it on a slightly smaller brush and just buff that directly underneath the yellow shade. So now I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's and just take a little bit of the orange shade, and I'm just going to blend that again slightly further down than the peachy shade. Now I'm going to grab a slightly smaller brush. This brush is the Morphe M456, and I'm going to take the shade Life, which is the matte red shade, and I'm just going to start blending that color underneath the orange shades. Now I think I might add depth with a purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix a little bit of the purple from the Juvia's palette and then also the shade Truth from the Morphe Artistry palette. Alright, so now that I've added a little bit of the purple, I'm actually going to mix a tiny bit of the black shade just because I want to really build a lot of depth with this eyeshadow look. There's a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow palette. I haven't actually used this eyeshadow palette before either, so I'm kind of just winging it and hoping that it all turns out good. Okay, so I've quickly caught up the other eye to where we are at, and now I'm going to carve out my crease. I feel like a festival makeup is not complete without it being a half cut crease, so I'm going to carve out my crease using a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral. Now that I've carved out the crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Milk from the Artistry palette, and I'm just going to press that over the top of the concealer just to brighten it up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just build that depth back into the outer corner. So I'm going to go in with the shade Truth again and just build that purple back up where the concealer has sort of taken it away. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the red shade and just blend that next to the purple. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the orange and peachy shade and then just blend that next to those colors again. And lastly, I'm going to go in with a little bit of the yellow shade, so Sunlight, and just blend it next to those colors again. I think I want to add maybe a little bit of white liner, and I might just add it around the crease. This is going to be a very difficult part, so I apologize if it's not very clear what I'm doing because I need to get super close to the mirror. Okay. I thought potentially I would add some of this glitter eyeliner. This is from Rimmel. It's called the Wonder Swipe 2-in-1, and this is called Yas, the shade, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Alright, it's very subtle, this eyeliner. I am going to add some eyeliner. So this one is the Maybelline Eye Studio gel liner in the shade Blackest Black. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that. I'm just going to sort of blend the black liner into the shadow. I'm just going to add a little bit of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer underneath my eyes so we can do the shadow underneath. Alright, to start off with underneath the eyes, I'm going to put a black eyeliner into my waterline. This is the Soft Kohl Kajal liner from Rimmel. And now I'm going to take another pencil brush and go in with the shade Pride and just buff that underneath. And I'm also going to mix a little bit of the shade Life, which is the red colour. And then lastly, I'm going to blend a little bit of the shade Sunlight right underneath. Alright, final touches for the eyes. I'm going to add the shade Liberation and use that as my inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to spritz a little bit of the Gold Light Fix Plus. It wouldn't be a festival look without a little bit of sheen on the skin, so I'm going to add the Australis Liquid Strobe Illuminating Drops in the shade Gold. So for foundation, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I'm going to use the shade Amaretti. for concealer, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. And then I'm going to do a cream contour using the Huda Beauty Tantal Cream in the shade Light. Alright, to blend out the contour, I'm using the MAC 170 foundation brush. And then to blend out my concealer, I'm going back in with my Beauty Blender. I'm going to set my under eyes using the Huda Beauty translucent powder in the shade Pound Cake. To bronze my skin, I'm using MAC Gold Deposit. And to contour, I'm using the MAC Matte Bronze Bronzing Powder. Alright, so now I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette and go in with this gold shade here, which is almost empty. For lipstick, I'm going to use the MAC Strip Down Lip Pencil just to line my lips first. And then for lipstick, I'm using the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Unbutton. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss over the top. This one is from Australis and it's called Tease Me. To finish off this makeup look, I'm going to add some rhinestones, or diamantes, gem stickers, whatever you want to call them. These are from my local arts and crafts store, and I'm just going to use like the smallest ones at the top here. And I'm actually going to put mine on my ear. I want it to be like still super like glam, but a little bit different rather than just putting the gems on your face, which is usually what I always do. So I wanted to do something a little bit different. Who knows, I might not like it, I might end up changing it, but I'm gonna see how it looks anyway. Alright, and to finish off the whole look, I'm gonna set the skin using the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. today's makeup look, you guys. I really hoped you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration from this makeup look. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every Sunday. So I guess until next Sunday, I will see you guys later. Bye!